Hello, this is Seaton from wildrose911.com. I've had some of my YouTube followers there tell me that, hey, I'm not making these movies anymore because I've been too busy, and they said that they're having withdrawal symptoms, that apparently I'm a movie star, so how can I not make movies after this? So we had a customer here that said, hey, my vehicle, my Crown Vic's done 200,000 miles, and it started to make a funny noise. And I asked him to describe the noise, and he gave me a noise over the phone, and I said, I know what that is. You're having timing chain troubles. And he said, really, what do I do about that? I said, don't take too long, bring it in, and we'll fix it for you. So here we have one of the tensioner guides has broken. Here's the two pieces there, and the third piece is still on the engine. And what that allows to happen is the timing chain here, to flip around and make a noise, and that was a noise he was hearing in his engine. So he made it just in time, because that chain that loose could jump. So if you start hearing funny noises in your Crown Vic and you're getting up in the miles there, contact us, Seaton, at wildrose911.com. Come on down, and we'll take care of it for you. We're going to replace his valve cover gaskets as well, because he said he had a minor oil leak. So there you have it. If this had been any other vehicle, in my opinion, with that much slap or slack in the timing chain, it would have failed. But being a tough Crown Victoria Interceptor, all it does is make a bit of noise. So the chain was rattling around inside the engine, but still doing its job. So this is a relatively simple repair. Going to replace everything, replace the chains, the hydraulic tensioners. There's the hydraulic tensioner on the top there. We put upgraded steel Romeo tensioners in it, so this will be a better setup now once we've worked on it than what it was new factory. And they're a steel ratcheting tensioner, so a lot better tensioner than the plastic tensioner that most of them have in there, in the late model ones. So this is a Windsor motor, so we're going to put Romeo parts in a Windsor motor, which is one of our little tricks that we do to upgrade and make it better and stronger for the customer. So there you have it. That's what happens when you hear a funny noise. Bring it to the doctor, we'll check it out. And because they're such strong, tough vehicles, this gentleman's got away with this. So this is just, he needs some components that are broken replaced, and he's going to be back on the road for another 200,000 miles. These cars last forever. Super reliable, dependable, great cars, but you know, occasionally you need to do some maintenance on it. So overhead cam, 4.6, sturdy motor. I've got customers with over 500,000 miles on these motors. Contact us, wildrose911.com, and we'd be happy to help you out. Be safe out there, my friends.